Hi! In front of me is TCL 406, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System at the bottom. Now click on Languages and Input, Virtual Keyboard, and Gboard. Following that, select Theme section, scroll all the way down and tap on Show More at the bottom right corners. This way you will see all available themes. When you find the best one for you, you need to click on it. Tap on this switcher next to keyboarders to manage them, and lastly, hit Apply. So when I do that and go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard has changed. If you wish to customize it instead, go back to Theme Settings. But this time select plus icon located under My Themes at the top. Then tap on the photo that you wish to apply as your keyboard's background, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. Then select Next. Adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done. Manage keyboarders and select Apply. So when I go back this time, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!